So King Russell, baby, is about to make a really nice move to the upside. Plus, there's actually, maybe some of you guys are saying King Nasdaq right now as well too, but Nasdaq is really strong right now. Also going to look at gold and silver. A bit of a roundup for the market today, guys. So let's get straight into it right now. Before I do start, guys, I'm running a 95% off sale to my entire Master Trader Lab. There should be that link in the description there, or go to johnsflashstyle.com. Now let's go look at the actual. Let's start off with King Russell. Now, King Russell. The reason why it's actually the reason why I've been saying King Russell, and it's something I've been talking about now for quite some time, is this. One of the big things for me is understanding the concepts of getting in before something makes a big move, right? So what do you want to do? Do you want to get into something after it's made a big move and hopefully the move's going to continue? A. Or B, I want to get in right now, John, so when the big move happens, I'm part of the big move. So when it happens. Obviously, I'm in the B camp. You might be the A camp. Okay, that's totally fine. All right? Right, but I like to get into the B camp. The B camp is like, I'm going to get in now before the big move. And why do I say that? Because if I'm looking at the actual, the Russell here, look at this here, right? So the Russell is right at this level of resistance and we're pushing up. And I've been saying King Russell all year because I believe once it really gets going, it's going to really, really get going. Did I say that twice? Once it really gets going, it's going to really get going, right? So we have this movement to the upside here. Now, what's happening on the absolute short-term level basis, this is where it gets really exciting here. Check this out. So if I bring this chart up through here, notice history, right? Firstly, we've been in a very strong upward environment through here, really strong upward environment. And now we're just sort of holding this level through here. And now we're also getting a really nice moving averages trend into the upside. So to me, all this here looks like, to me, that Russell's about to make a break to the upside real soon, and we're about to make a really big move. Because once it breaks above this 245 level, which it is being a lackluster dog. And what I mean by that is that I really thought that the Russell would be above all-time new highs by now. But as you can see, that we're not there yet. But a little bit of a pullback before the mock charge happens within the market here, right? Mock charge, baby, mock charge. And when we're looking at this level through here, low, high, low, a little bit of a pullback before we spring to the upside. And then once that happens, it could be on like Donkey Kong from there. So that's what I'm seeing right now when it comes to the good old Russell from there. Let's go look at the Dow Jones. Dow Jones really, really, really strong again. And this is where traders, the entire year, one of the big lessons you can learn from your own personal trading is that whenever we start to see some sort of trend established in the markets, just go with it, right? Just go with it. And by the way, whenever you think the top's going to be in because of, insert this level here, insert risk, insert geopolitical war, insert wars, insert story, then just throw that away, right? Because that's a story. What is the truth? The truth is the market's continuing up. And if you're looking for a reason for something to happen in the markets because of this thing over here, something's happening in Ukraine, so therefore gold's going to go up. Wow, that's your trading strategy? That is your trading strategy? Something's happening in Ukraine, so therefore it may affect gold, so therefore I'm going to trade it, right? Don't do that. All right, just go with what the market's doing. So right now we're making lows, high lows, and high lows all the way to the upside from here. And now we're pushing the upside. So looks like we're about to see a really nice movement on the overall market from here. And I say King Russell, King Nasdaq, baby, King Nasdaq. It's like, look at the Nasdaq. Break up to all-time new highs. But what has been the number one thing with the Nasdaq? The number one thing is what? The trend has been up, so the only positions you should be looking for right now, and for the entire year really, has been bullish. I know someone who shorted Nasdaq up here thinking it was the top. He's very, very, very quiet in my comment section today. Very, very, very quiet, right? And back to the S&P 500 and S&P 500, King S&P 500. What about the Russell? You watch, guys. When the Russell does make a move, it's gonna play catch up. Right? That's where I like being part of the Russell because, I like being part of all markets because there's a lot of opportunities all around the world, right? So let's go look at the good old gold market, silver market today. And what we're looking at here from the silver market has just been really holding here. Not much going on through with silver. We're just no man's land. And this here with silver, and then this here with gold is once again, to me, the bull market is completely done and dusted. It's over. One of the things you want to keep an eye out for is this. From a short-term level basis, look at this level here. I had a comment on one of my YouTube videos that they said, let me just bring this up through here. So I had this comment here on one of my YouTube videos here. And oh, by the way, guys, have those comments in the comment section, those scammers. Anyway, that's what we're talking about here. But the big thing I really want to sort of zoom in here is this level 3, right? So they said, hey, John, think gold might be going up in the next few days. Between the new war in Syria and the instability in Korea, the geopolitical risk is starting to really, really ramp up. That is the biggest mistake that you can do. If you go trade on that, like, I hope you don't, okay? Because trading's not a... Let's just say you get it right. You trade on that and gold goes up in the next few days. And you do trade that and you make some money. Cool. Now, how you did that, now repeat that process for the rest of your life and you're going to have a really successful trading career. Oh, I don't know how to do that, John, because this is just a once-off event. Well, that's long-term sustainable success in the markets is not about that, all right? And so what you're doing here is you're saying this is happening and I think the market's going to go up, okay? So, and if you're saying that, but if I actually go look at the actual gold chart, what I'm looking at right now is this level all through here. Let me take you off this. Actually, is this level all through here? Or that level all through there? And then if I go to my hourly chart, this is all through here. Because this has all been holding here. If for some reason gold does actually break down from here, and even let's look at the 4-hour chart, because the 4-hour chart's probably nicer. There you go. This is not conducive to an upward move. Conducive. Anyway, through here, what's probably going to come soon, again, like what I'll be looking for is this. If we do, let's bring up the if scenarios. If we do get something like that happening on the 4-hour chart, guess what's going to come? It's probably going to start to see a really nice move to the downside, probably come back down to this level through here, right? At least this level down through to here, but if not more, right? So the setup here, right, is not conducive to, and again, it can actually happen. We can actually get a bit of a short-term rally out of this level through here, but don't be doing that, guys, all right? Don't be trading based off what I guess. Well, I think. No, don't think. If you want long-term success in the markets, right, and like I do with my private coaching clients, and if you would like to join my coaching client group, that first link in the description there, guys, you can click on that and you can go apply for my coaching. Where you're actually with me every day for a whole 12 months to help you with trade selection and money management and emotional management and all these different things, right, to help you through there. So if you're serious about 2025, guys, go apply for that coaching and I'll personally speak to you to see if you're a good fit for that there. So the really big thing that I really want you to be focusing on when it comes to the markets is this. 90% of you right now are not doing well out of trading. Just call a spade. Probably most of you guys watching this video right now are having a really hard year this year. You've done really badly, right? If you want to see my personal account, my personal results, go to getjohnshelp.com. There should be, I think it's the third link in the description there. Click on that. It's for the application for my coaching program. But if you scroll down, you'll be able to see my real equity curve for the entire year. That's my real equity curve. Now, that aside, long-term success in the markets, if you want to make money long-term and not just a once-off wonder, like a one-hit wonder, because even if you're a one-hit wonder, like you make money now, it's not going to be good. It's all about a pattern, right? What patterns are you looking for? Not a geopolitical risk, right? So now I can go to this level 3 and now I can go to this hourly charts. And now I can see this level 3. This is not, once again, if we do start to get something like that happening on this 4-hour chart through here, we're probably likely to see a really, really, really big drop in the markets from there. And so that's what I'm seeing through there, guys, when it comes to all these different markets from here. Again, this is not looking too good. And overall, guys, when it comes to gold bull trend is over. We're more in a downward phase now than an upward phase. We were making these higher lows. Now we're making lower lows and lower highs. So we're more in a downward phase than we are in an upward phase.